If you have ever worked with machine learning, you know how important it is to have a good model that can accurately predict outcomes. But how do you know if your model is actually any good? One way to test your model is by splitting your data into training and testing sets. You train your model on the training data and then test it on the testing data to see how well it performs. In this case, we run the risk of a model overfitting to the training data and performing poorly on the testing data. This is because a model may memorize the training data rather than learning the underlying patterns and relationships in it. But there's another technique called cross validation that can help you get even better results. Cross validation involves dividing your data into multiple folds. You train your model on a portion of the data termed as the train set and test it on another portion termed as the validation set. Then you repeat this process multiple times, each time with a different combination of training and validation data. It should be noted that the testing data is not introduced to the model during training. By doing this, you can get a more accurate and reliable estimate of your model's performance. It also helps you avoid overfitting, where your model performs well on the training data but poorly on the testing data. So, if you want to make sure that your machine learning model is accurate and reliable, consider using cross validation.